Welcome to the House Doctor, where you get helpful home improvement tips in every video. Today, I'm going to give you a great tip on how you can take something you worked hard to get and keep it for as long as possible. Because my job here on the House Doctor channel is to share tips with you, I'm willing to spare a square and let you in on an ancient Boy Scout secret. This was way back in the olden days, before Boy Scouts used to stay in hotels. We're going to take our square, as we're taking care of other business. We're going to fold it and fold it again. We're going to take the corner where we made our folds and tear off a little piece. We're going to set that aside. We'll be needing that later. After we finish taking care of things we need to take care of, it's time to clean up whatever mess we may have made. We're just going to put our finger through the hole, do what we need to do. We're all adults, no need to talk about it. Clean up, and remember, waste not, want not. We're going to save every little bit and use every little bit. So here's one more tip. Make sure you get every little bit cleaned up. And there you have it. This single roll could easily last months. I'm sure there'll be toilet paper available before this roll runs out. Thanks for watching. Hope you like, share, and subscribe.